Boys and girls, today we are going to multiply with 9. We will use the distributive property with addition or subtraction or patterns to multiply with a factor 9. Make sure you have written your name on your paper. Read the story.
This class is studying the solar system. 7 students are making models of the solar system. Each model has 9 spheres, 8 of the planets and 1 of Pluto.
Name your planet.
How many spheres
Does 7 students need for all the models? Find 7 times 9. What are you asked to find?
7 times 9.
No, but when you hear this question, what do you need to find? What do you write? You write the question, which is?
How many spheres do the 7 students need for all the models?
Write that down.
You should write it.
How many students are making these models, boys and girls?
7.
7 students. Okay. One way to find 7 times 9 is using the distributive property with multiplication and addition. So this way, we're doing distributive property with multiplication and addition. They're doing 7 times 9. And now look, 7 and 9 right here. But then when it has the equal sign, it's saying it's equaling the same thing as 7 times 3 plus 6. Because they're doing this. 7 times 9. And instead of 9, they're doing 3 plus 6. Okay?
That doesn't make no sense.
Multiply each of the addends, both of these, by 7. So you're doing 7 times 3, which is, anybody know?
21.
21. And then 7 times 6. Anybody know?
50. 42.
42. Okay. So 7 times 3 is?
54.
No. 7 times 3 is?
41.
21. So write that in the blank. And then 7 times 6 is?
No shit.
42. Come on, guys. Wake up. I wrote this on the board. You guys keep just guessing. Then you have to add together 21 plus 42. 1 plus 2 is?
4.
1 plus 2 is? 2 plus 4 is?
6.
So 7 times 9 is?
63.
63. Another way to do this is using multiplication and subtraction. So this time they did 7 times 9, but they said that that's the same as 7 times 9, or 7 times 10 minus 1. So they were doing 7 times 9, but instead of 9, they're doing 10 minus 1. Okay? So then you have to do 7 times 10, which is 70. Thank you. And then 7 times 1, which is
77.
7 times 1.
Oh, that's 7.
Now you have to, okay, so we have this. 7 times 10, you said, was 70. So write that on that blank. And then 7 times 1 is what, Tyson? No, anything times 1 is the other number. 7. So then you do 70 minus 7. What is 70 minus 7?
63.
63. So 7 students need how many spheres for all the models?
63.
63. You don't know how to work out 70 minus 7, you go over here. You can't do 7 minus 0 minus 7, so you take away 7. Give that 1 to the 0, make it 10. 10 minus 7 is 3, and then you bring down 6. Next page, please. Another way to find the number, put the answers down. Another way to find answers or products with multiplying by 9s is by looking at this 9s facts. 1 times 9 is 9, 2 times 9 is 18, 3 times 9 is 27, 4 times 9 is 36. Okay, what do you notice about the tens digit in the products? Look at the tens place. Tell me, if I had the number 51, what's the tens place? Which number is in the tens place? On this, look at me. Look up here. This has nothing to do with what you're doing right now, kind of. 51. What number is in the tens place? 5 is the tens place. 1 is the ones place. If I had the number 76, 70 is the tens place. 6 is the ones. Okay? Understand? That's place value. You should know your place values. So look at all the answers over here in the products box. Look at all the tens places. What do you notice about the tens places? Look at the answers going down. What do you notice about all the tens places? Look at the answers going down. What do you notice about the tens place? What do you notice about all of the tens places going down? This is the tens place. It's going down. What do you notice? This is the tens place right here. Going down. What pattern do you notice? Wyatt?
It goes like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes. 0 for the 9, because it's 0, 9. There's no tens place right there, right? Then you have 1 in the tens place, then 2 in the tens place, then 3 in the tens place, then 4 in the tens place, then 5 in the tens place. So it is going up by ones. The tens digit is how many less than the factor that is multiplied by 9? Look. 2 times 9 is 18. The first digit, or the tens digit, the tens digit is 1 less than 2. So then you have 3 times 9. The tens digit is 1 less than 3. Then you had 4 times 9. The tens digit is 1 less than 4. Then you have the 5 times 9. And the answer, the tens digit is 4. It's 1 less than, it's 1 less than 5, yes. And then you had the 6 digit. And it's 1 less than 5. Or 1 less than 6 is 5, yes. So it is 1 less than the factor it's being multiplied. Write that down. Most of you are not looking at the board, and you should be. Okay, so if we were following this rule that the tens digit is 1 less than the number that's being multiplied by 9, then if we do 7 times 9, what's the tens digit going to be in the answer?
6.
6. And if we did 8 times 9, what's the 10th digit going to be?
7.
And if we did 9 times 9, what should the 10th digit be?
8.
Okay. Now, that's part of the trick. It's not finished yet. Okay? What do you notice about the sum of the digits in the product? Looky here. 0 plus 9. Sum means add, right? So look at the product. 0 plus 9 equals
9.
Okay, 1 plus 8 equals
7.
1 plus 8.
9.
9. 2 plus 7.
8. 9.
Guys, I'm worried. You guys are making me think we need to go back to addition.
No!
2 plus 7.
9.
3 plus 6.
9.
4 plus 5.
9.
5 plus 4.
9.
So what do you notice about the factors?
There
Or
are
not about the factors, but about the products. If you add both digits together, they should equal
9.
Okay, so knowing that, we know that 7 times 9, the first digit should be 6. What can you add to 6 to make it 9? Everybody?
3.
3. What can you add to 7 to make it 9?
2.
What can you add to 8 to make 9?
1. It's going from 9 to 1.
Yeah.
So like
If you look going down, all you're doing is switching the numbers. You have 1 and 8, 2 and 7, 3 and 6, 4 and 5, then you switch. 5 and 4, 6 and 3, 7 and 2, 8 and 1. So the trick, boys and girls, is that anything times, well, not anything. It only goes from 1 to 9. Okay? But when you do factors 1 through 9, anything times 9, you do 1 less than the other number. So what's 1 less than 7?
6.
6 plus what equals 9? 3. So the answer is 63.
So you don't even have to use the other things to help you.
No, you don't have to use distributive property. You can use this trick. Okay, complete the table above, which we did. Oh, hold on. The sum of the digits is they always equal 9. So multiplying 7 times 9, think of the 10th digit is 6, and the 1st digit would be 3, and the product would be 63. Okay, use the patterns to find 8 and 9, which we did. Okay, we already did that, so don't do that. Now you guys get to do share and show with a partner.
This